to my channel. Today, you're going to learn how to download Adobe Illustrator so you can see your best designs come to life. You will not only be able to smell the success of your work, but taste it too. Grab your mouse and let's begin. So go ahead and type in Adobe Illustrator into your search engine. Click on the one with the free trial. You can either choose for teams or for individuals. Go ahead and scroll down and click free trial. Here you can see the different pricing. For a month-to-month, no commitment contract, you're going to pay about $34.49. For a yearly commitment, month-to-month, you're paying $22. And for the year in full, you would pay $263.88. Pick the plan that works for you. Click continue, add your email, and then click continue again. So go ahead and sign in with your Gmail if you have one, then hit skip for now. Go ahead and type in your credit card information. Click agree and subscribe. Click Get Started. It will automatically open to this page right here. Scroll down, hit skip for now, and then you can log in either with your email or with Gmail or Facebook. It will automatically on your desktop. It will automatically on your desktop open to this right here. You can go ahead and hit start installing. While it's installing, you can fill out this page if you like. Once it's done downloading, it will open up to this page with all of the applications in Adobe Cloud. Go ahead and click done. It will automatically open up Adobe Illustrator. Having in-depth skills in Adobe Illustrator puts you at an advantage when making breathtaking digital art. It is the difference between making a flat apple and a juicy, delicious, crisp, and crunchy apple. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.